Сейчас кайф поймаем.
А я первый кайф поймал.
I'll be dead. Whole lot of hoes, whole lot of mess. Yeah, whole lot of clothes. Nigga be standing.
Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins.
What's good with y'all, man? It is your boy RJ Go back on the camera. Sorry, I keep on looking up. Getting used to making videos again, so we gonna go ahead and go with that. So if you guys see right here, my chest is oily and stuff, you know, cause man's got a net. He got the tattoo finish, you feel me? So just look, take a quick look. All right, so today's video, had to go find my phone real quick. Today we're doing a video from Midas Bling Jewelry, you feel me? Go ahead, check out their Instagram. Oh, look, you feel me? Big drip, big drip. We're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing on their gold Cuban, young gold Cuban. Put the link, I'll put the link down in the description. And yeah, so let's get on into opening this thing, you feel me? It's 18 karat gold plated Cuban chain, 12 millimeter with the iced out link. You feel me? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My bad. I keep talking. Let's go. And open this. You got anything else in here? Nope. Nada. So we got shopping is a way of life. Amen. You know? Box in. Damn. So, nothing else in there, and this is what we got. You see, just push it out, throw the package out. Hey, this box is pretty hard, I can't even lie. And right here, Midas Bling Jewelry. I like the box, I'll mess with the box. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, open like that. That's it. That's different. That's different. All right. So we got the pouch right here. Got the chain in it, and a business card. Go ahead and open it up. Take it out, and this is what we got. Let's see. Go ahead and scoot up. See how it's wrapped. And here goes the clasp right here. It's iced out. Oh, it's not focusing, but yeah, it goes crazy. Oh yeah, these dancing for sure. These go crazy for sure. It looks a lot better in person, trust. But the clasp is iced out, and the rest is solid chain. So it has a nice weight to it. It's not flimsy at all. So that's a great sign. Let me go ahead and back up and get this plastic off real quick. So I'll be right back. All right, guys. So we finally got the plastic off, and we just scoot up. Here's the back of it. It's not hollow. So oh my God, focus. So yeah, it's not hollow. Y'all can see right there. All right, so here we go right here. Go ahead and twist it around. I believe this is a 20-inch. So you just clasp it just like that, and just take it out like so. Oh, this is a 22. We got a 22-inch right here. Oh, let me go ahead and take this off because this is not. So this is how it looks here. And the clasp. Hey, this is solid right here. Okay, I didn't think I could really wear long chains like that, but that is not bad. There's some great quality right here, guys. Solid weight too. Not too heavy, so it's not like too fake, and it's not light at all. So this is solid right here. Let me go ahead and Give you guys a different view. Don't mind my dirty room though, okay? I don't need to hear all that. This is what I'll be making on my TikTok, so go ahead, look. Be a model for y'all. Bam. Bam, this is solid right here. Okay. Alright, and once again, you guys, this is from Midas Bling. Midas Bling Jewelry. Go ahead and check out their Instagram right over here. And yeah, overall, I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied with this. So big shout out to them for giving me the opportunity to do this for them. Looking forward to making more videos for you guys. So that's dope. Big shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for letting me be able to do this for you and for you guys to be able to do this for me. And yeah, if you guys liked it, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and if you guys have questions, go ahead and comment down below because I'm more than happy to answer everything and let you guys know what it is. So thank you guys for watching, and we out. Peace.